Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi Homestyle. If you're new here, I'm so grateful you stopped by. And if you're a returning friend, thank you so much for your continued support. Today, we're in my craft room, and I'm thrilled to share a heartfelt DIY engagement gift box idea using items from the Dollar Tree that you can create for just $20 or less. You decide what you want inside the box. I'm just here to give you some inspiration and some ideas. So let's get going. At my age, I don't get to go to many weddings or wedding showers anymore. And most of my friends have kids who are all grown up, married, and raising their own families. It's amazing how time flies, isn't it? It used to be that we would go to these events at least a few times a year, but our families have grown smaller, and nowadays, these things cost way over budget. So the new generations are going small or not at all. My daughter did something similar with her husband. They took a trip to the courthouse, they signed some papers, and they got themselves some rings. And as parents, we offered a gift of money to help them get started in their new life instead of throwing a big party. Our daughter lives in Japan, so organizing a big event would have been pretty tough. And recently, my friend's daughter, who is also a dear friend of my daughter's, just got engaged. And I wanted to give her something special to celebrate this beautiful moment because I was so excited for her. I went looking for a special gift and decided to create this cute box filled with things that she could use and might need. This gift box idea is perfect for those who are celebrating in a more intimate and personal way, or you can use this idea I'm about to show you for a bridesmaid's proposal box, or maybe a mother-in-law to be, or a mother of the bride. So let's get gifting. Let's start by putting the box together. I got these sturdy boxes from Amazon, but you can also find similar ones in the cake decorating aisle at Walmart. But if you choose the cake boxes, you might need to add sturdy cardboard to the bottom for heavier items like candles. The Amazon boxes I'm using are 12 by 9 by 4, and they cost me $26.99 for a pack of 20, making them about $1.34 each. The link is in the description below. Now, these Amazon boxes come in various colors, but I chose white so I could add my own touches with like ribbons or tags or stickers or even wrapping paper. And if this box is too big for you, there's also a smaller version, 9 by 6 by 3, that's also available. And the link for that is also in the description below. I love using these boxes for holiday gifts and other special occasions throughout the year, and the cost and the quantity are perfect for my needs. When I'm putting together a gift, I always like to keep the theme and colors consistent. It just makes everything look so cohesive and beautiful. So let's dive into what I included in this box. I've always loved those cute subscription boxes that you see online, but those are not in my budget, so I decided to create this one myself. To make this extra special, I'm adding some tissue paper with a little sparkle, some crushed crinkle paper that I found in our party section at the Dollar Tree, and rose petals I found in the bridal section at the Dollar Tree. These things add a nice touch before we add our items. First, I have these adorable champagne flutes. I personalized them with glass stickers that I found in the crafters corner at the Dollar Tree. They are not dishwasher safe, but you can wash the flutes by hand. These are perfect for toasting to the new engagement, and these fit really nice inside this box size. Next, I included a sparkling juice that looks like a mini champagne bottle. I created a personalized label on Canva, and it turned out so cute. By the way, Canva is free to use once you sign up, and it's super easy to create your own designs. I just measured the bottle label, personalized mine, and added the new label by running it through my sticker maker to adhere it. You can also adhere with glue or double-sided tape. I found this silver 5x7 frame to hold a photo of the moment they got engaged. It's a lovely keepsake for such a special memory. A planner to help with wedding plans, and a notebook for tracking date nights and memories leading up to the big day. These will be so useful as they prepare for their wedding. I found a candle that smells like marshmallows over a fire and created a personalized label for it too. It's a sweet reminder of the cozy moments they will be sharing with each other. I also added a ceramic ring holder. It's perfect for keeping her beautiful new ring safe. I added a makeup bag for essentials on the big day, and this cute bride mirror to slip into the makeup bag. She'll appreciate having these handy. And look at this fun pen with a diamond on top. It's perfect for all the planning she'll be doing with the planners in the box. I slipped the items in the bag and put these inside for her to use. I also made these homemade date night scratch-off cards. There are 52 weeks of dates with ideas and questions to keep their love growing. I created these on Canva as well. To make it easy for them to enjoy their date night cards, I'm putting them in this cute white organza bag. It'll be so fun for them to pull out a new date idea each week. Lastly, I also added a cute tote that says, "I said yes." It's a fun way to carry all her engagement and wedding goodies. And after a little bit of rearranging to fit everything, this is how the box turned out. Before we shut the box, I wanted to add a sticker to the inside cover, and I made a cute future Mr. and Mrs. sticker. You can make your own as well and adhere with glue or double-sided tape. I used my sticker maker to make it easier for me to adhere it to the box. A cute way to surprise the bride-to-be when she opens up her gift. For some added fun, I bought a Tootsie Roll bank at the Dollar Tree, and I created another personalized label for the couple that said, "Wedding Fund." I added the couple's name, and although it's a small bank, it's filled with Tootsie Rolls and a cute way to get started with those wedding expenses. Now let's add some sparkle and charm to the outside of our engagement gift box. I found this gorgeous pew ribbon and some bling ribbon in the bridal section at the Dollar Tree, and I think they add such a festive touch. I also love how ribbons can instantly elevate the look of any gift. It's like dressing up for a special occasion. So now, let's get wrapping. Of course, no gift is complete without a personal touch. I made this gift tag to add a sweet message, and it's all about those little details that make a big difference. Here are some tips for putting together a gift box like this. Keep the theme and colors consistent. You're going to choose items that complement each other in terms of color and style, and this makes the gift look more cohesive and thoughtful. Personalize as much as possible. Adding personal touches like custom labels or handmade items shows that you put extra thought into the gift. And use crinkle paper or tissue paper. This not only adds a decorative touch, but also helps to secure the items in place. Think about the recipient's needs and interests. You can choose items that they will find useful and meaningful. For example, we put the planner and the notebook and the frame in here. Those are all great for someone planning a wedding. And then make it easy to assemble. Use boxes that are sturdy and easy to put together, and arrange the items in a way they fit snugly and look appealing. And there you have it, a beautiful personalized engagement gift box that cost me only about $20 to put together. This is such a thoughtful and unique gift, perfect not only for engagements, but also for asking your bridesmaids to stand by your side on your big day. I can't wait to give this gift to my friend's daughter. Let me know if you try this too. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project and you found some inspiration to create your own personalized gifts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know if you create your own engagement gift box and what you're putting inside of yours. Remember, links to the boxes from Amazon are in the description below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more DIY ideas and budget-friendly projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you next time. Thank you for watching today's Mimi Homestyle video. We hope you had a great time and found some inspiration for your next celebration. If you want to stay updated, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of our videos on YouTube. Check out our website at mimihomestyle.com and our printables at Grin and Print on Etsy. I can't wait to see you next time for more fun ideas.